everybody, welcome back to the craft room. Quite a few years ago I saw Sam Calcott make an amazing pocket watch shaker card, and but unfortunately all the dies had completely sold out, and it didn't look like they were going to be made again. And I looked everywhere for a really nice pocket watch die, and I couldn't find anything. Nothing sort of lived up to this card she made, and I couldn't find anything until Craftstash released the die set again. So this is Paper Discovery, Time on Your Hands die set and stamp set, and you get this big clock, but you also get this pocket watch, and that's the one Sam used, and her card was just amazing. So I wanted to do one the same, but my friend asked for a card for her husband, and she wants his name on it and some words on it and such. And the little card that Sam made, which is only like a 4x4, wouldn't have enough room for me to put the name and the birthday message on. So I'm going to have to put mine onto a card, but I'm still going to do pretty much the same as what Sam did. I'm just going to put it on a card. But hers is a gorgeous little make. So, yes, I can't get any other idea in my head at the moment, because all I can see is her gorgeous card. So that's what I'm going to do. I have already cut some pieces out. I've got this coppery card, and I've got a cream card base, which is what I'm going to be using. But I have already done some die cutting, as you can see. I've got this Triboss embossing folder, which I have cut one of the circles and embossed it, and I've just gone over with my brush to just sort of highlight a few bits. So that's that. I have cut an acetate circle. I've cut a frame. That's using these dies. Oops. Using these dies. I have cut the little top for the watch in craft and in the coppery colour to do some matting, to do some layering, to put a bit of dimension in. I've cut the chain in both craft and the mirror card. I've cut the hands and the 5 cogs. So those are there, ready to get lost. So I'll get those dies. So what else did I do? I think that's it at the minute. Let me put these away. I've also got some little sequins from a shaker, and I'll pull out some foam and such when I need it. So first things I'm going to do is going to stack these together, and I'm going to start making the watch itself. So let me do some stacking, and I'll be back and we'll go through this bit together. Do is I'm going to stick the acetate to this frame using red liner tape. Okay, so that's that. I did misalign it slightly, so I've just cut off what you could see, but that's the first bit done. Our next bit is the foam, and I've got this from Sticks to Anything, which is a clear, it's like the red liner tape, but it's a bit built up, so I'm going to put 2 layers of this round. It's not the easiest thing to work with, so you'll have to bear with me, but I will fast forward it. Well, I will say there were a few choice words coming out then. Like I say, not the easiest thing to deal with, but it's worth it because it is see-through. Okay, so the next step is we are going to put some sparkles in there and the cogs. So because I want the cogs showing on top, those need to go in first. Like that, and then I will put some of these in. From Nuvo, and they're called Antique Copper. So take this off if I can. Like that again. There's our little shaker element. Sweet. Okay, so let's get this card put together now. that's a bit gold compared to the rest, but my friend will not notice that, not with all this going on. So here's the finished card. My friend is more is more, so that is how I make her cards. If I can think of throwing anything more on there, I will, but at the moment that's the completed card. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you again next time. Okay, bye.